Welcome back, guys. Thank you again for tuning in. This angle's a little different than usual, but it's whatever. You gotta try new things out. So pretty much today, I'm gonna be going over my weekly update on my M1 Finance portfolio. It's pretty cool. Today, you're gonna see what I invested in. Let me not give it away. But like I always say, make sure to like and hit that subscribe button. Let me go tune in. Let me go grab my computer and let's check everything out. See the new update. See what I did. And see how much my dividend income has rose by my investments, and I will explain why I invested into those stocks. So let me go grab my computer and let's get to it. All right, so here we are, guys. Here's my long-term dividend portfolio. You can see its current value is $5,164.87. Its net cash flow is $4,816.76. So like I always say, net cash flow is how much money I have invested. Its current value is how much is the actual value. So if you were to do the current value minus the net cash flow, I would have a total gain of $372.74. And my return right now is at 10%, which is the average annual return of anybody who's an investor. So that's not bad. Those of you who don't know, I started this portfolio on April 9th, and it's been going pretty good. So today's video is going to be about what I have invested into this week. On a weekly basis, if you guys don't know, on a weekly basis, I invest $100+ onto my portfolio. So if you were to do the math out, that would be $5,200 each year. But since the way I started this year was a little differently than a normal year, my goal is to get to $6,900 by the end of this year. So at the moment, I'm at $4,800. Meaning it's going to take me a couple more weeks to get there, obviously, but slow and steady wins the race. So let me get over to my activity, and with my activity, you can see that I did two buys today. I bought into Coca-Cola and I bought into O. I split it up, so I bought $51.35 of Coca-Cola, which came out to be a quantity of a little bit more of one share. And let's go over to Coca-Cola if you guys can see the difference that I put into it. With that happening, I now own 15.48 of shares, and my average share price is $47.26. So just having all of this information, I already have it laid out. Let me go into my dividend tracker and let me go fix that up. So KO is my ticket number for Coca-Cola, and let me go to my share number. And like I said, I have let me click back. I got 15.488881.48881, and my cost per share is I have it listed as $47.26. So let me press edit, and let's see. Put my annual income for $204 is my annual income. Another thing I want to share with you guys is my goal is to make $1,000 on a monthly basis. Obviously, I'm nowhere near close to that at the moment, because my annual income is $204. But like I said, slow and steady wins the race. And with this journey, you guys are going to see me progress. And I hope it motivates you guys to get into it and open up your own portfolio and get to it, man. Because slow and steady wins the race. You got to be patient and consistent. So next, let me go back over here. Next, I bought O. I actually bought $51.35. I invested more into it, which gave me about 0.88, you could say, of a share. So let me go over here to O. If you guys realized it, these were the two highest in my portfolio. They cover the most spots in my portfolio. So let's go to O. And with that happening now, I own a little bit less than 21 shares. And my average share price is $52.51. So let me get over to my dividend tracker. Let me go to the ticket number O. And O is a real estate stock. Those of you guys who don't know, and they give me a monthly dividend, which is what I love about them. So let's go to here. Number of shares, I said 20.97. So 20.97, 316, 20.97, 316. And my cost per share is gonna be 52.51. And with that edited, now my annual income is roughly $207, which now you guys can see that makes a huge impact and difference. So I'm now making $207 on a yearly basis, annually, and I'm getting closer to my goal. Slow and steady wins the race. So now that I showed you guys that, I just want to show you guys how O is up here, KO is Coca-Cola up here, And now I did not show you guys, but now I have 15 different stocks. And this is actually an income fund over here. It's NRK. I'm gonna make another video for this separately. I'm explaining to you guys why I'm gonna get into this, why I chose this, and why I'm gonna get into it. So wait for that. It's gonna come out sometime this week. I'm gonna explain to you guys my plan with that and why I get into it also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have a pretty diverse portfolio. I'm covering, let's go over here and you can see. Let's go to free tools, diversification. And as you can see, I'm covering 10 out of the 14. I'm covering 10. I'm a very diverse very diverse portfolio, I meant to say, due to the fact that I'm covering 10 different types of diversifications. So that's pretty good if you ask me. And here's how my portfolio looks over here, due to how much I have of each stock and how much I own of its share. So you can see, all which is my real estate stock is covering a pretty large chunk of it, a little bit less than a quarter of it. And over here we have Coca-Cola, which is also covering about 13% of it, which is pretty good. So that's this video. This video just showing you my weekly update on my portfolio and how it's looking. And if you ask me, it's not doing that bad. It's been a pretty Friday, I believe, was a red Friday, and today has been a red Monday. When I say red, I mean like the stock market has been going down. It's been on a bear market. But let's hope for at the moment, that's great when you're gonna buy, especially as me, as a dividend investor. The cheaper the stock is, the better, especially with these blue chip companies that are gonna be lasting for a while. So it's a very good thing to hear if you ask me. Stay tuned for my next video. I'm gonna be sharing with you why I believe NRK is a great stock to have in your long-term portfolio. So thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching. And if I were you guys, stay tuned for more, because I will be going over a lot of things. You guys can see me progress. You're going to see my journey. And I'm more than happy to share it with you guys. I appreciate all the likes, the love, and the support, the views. It means so much to me. I really hope you guys get into this. I'm going to leave the link in the description if you guys want to open up your own M1 Finance portfolio. If you guys don't know how to use it, I made a beginner's guide video for this too. I'm going to leave that in the link in the description. So thank you guys for watching, and that's it for today.